Here, late in the lab doing another tutorial, finding all the mistakes. And there's only one mistake that we have. So we're going to import, we're going to do everything that we did in class verbatim. And so we import our character. Right off the bat, hit edit. And this one's going to be a lot quicker because I want you guys to understand this process. So we're going to import our image. I think everyone knows how to do this. Hopefully this will go a lot quicker on Tuesday. So we have our image and we need to add our image onto our form here in ZBrush. So we're going to go ahead, do just like what we did in class, create from UV map, click on here, and then we're going to click on our texture. All right, some of you have it dark, so we just need to go over here, click, hit skin shade so we can see it bright, just like what we had before. All right, so one of the things that we talked about is that we need to do a poly paint onto the surface. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna look for poly paint. You can probably see it because you guys have done this like 10 times in class. We're gonna hit poly paint, and we're gonna poly paint from texture. But as you know, you can hit this first. If you don't, it'll tell you that you have an error. So we're gonna hit poly paint from our surface. Subtool, we can see that color is from white to a color. All right, we have all done this a million times in class, and then this is the next step is where things went sideways. So we're gonna hit duplicate, we're gonna go up to the top here, and right off the bat, we're gonna go geometry, just like we did before, and we're going to do our Dynamesh. All right, so we're gonna hit Dynamesh, and I think it went really quickly. You can see the Dynamesh is simplified the mesh, but the flow and so forth doesn't look that great. So the topology is really bad, so if we try to rig this, it would be in really bad shape. So that's why we do ZRemesher. This is where I think things went south. So we all did ZRemesher, we hit adapt. So I might hit it once, let it do its thing, keep my fingers crossed that this works. So we all did this, and then we went into the next phase and it went south. So now I'm gonna do half, hit ZRemesher again. It should go a lot faster. All right, so we went from adapt to half. This is key. This is where everything went bonkers. It should have worked, but for some reason I'm having to half the data. I think the data was way too heavy. So you can see the topology is a lot cleaner and a lot smaller. So this will help with our retoping and so forth because the topology is a lot better. All right, so we're gonna go to our Z plugin. This is where it went south, UV master, and we're gonna hit unwrap. So you can see it did it in 0.64 seconds, not 25 minutes like some of you were having trouble in the back, and I apologize. So it should have been really quickly done, that UV mapping. All right, so we're gonna go back to our subtool, make sure that top one is selected, and it should have been a quick 5-minute exercise so we all are on the same page on how to clean this stuff up. All right, so we're gonna go up to 5 divisions. Let's not go crazy since we had all those issues. So we have 5 divisions, and now we wanna do our project all. All right, so hopefully everyone knows where that is because we've done this several times. We're gonna hit subtotal, not subtotal, subtool, hit project, and we're gonna hit project all. All right, it's asking if we want our poly painting to transfer. Heck yeah. So we're gonna hit OK. This shouldn't take that long, and it projected it pretty quickly. All right, so what we wanna do is look at it. We could probably go down and hit texture, but I'm gonna go down to a lower division and not on 5. So we're gonna go to our division, and let's go all the way down to 1. And then I'm gonna go to my texture map and new from poly paint. All right, make sure you're on division 1. I think I did on 5 and it didn't go so great. So new from poly paint, and we can see that our lovely texture is there. All right, we could go up to a higher level let's go ahead and go to a higher level. And you can see probably, if you look, it's a little blurry. So the higher the level, the better the texture. So let's go poly paint again. All right, so if I roll over, this should maybe be a little bit better detail. All right, so what we want to do is go ahead and clone that. And we want to go ahead and get this stuff out and about. So we're going to go ahead and have that clone that we have. Probably not the best resolution, but we got it working. All right, so we're going to go ahead and have it selected. We're going to hit export, and we're going to make a new thing called test_3, since I've had test 1 and 2 as a mistake. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And this thing is huge. All right, so you can see a little bit of the detail, and you're like, well, how do I hit OK? Well, it's on the very bottom here. Hit Okie dokie. And we've got our layers on. We've got, go ahead and turn off that top one. So this is our high. So we want to export our high. Let's go ahead and export that out. All right, toy_high. All right, OBJ. Okay, this one's going a little bit faster than the other one. And then I'm going to hit Shift D. Oops, it's still going, sorry. May have crashed it, that would be awful. All right, so I hit Shift D, it goes all the way to the lowest one, and we're going to export this one also, and we're going to call it low. All right, we're going to hit export and save. Okay, so they're both OBJs, they're both lightweight files. This one will be really, really light because it's a little bit different. All right, so we're going to hit Substance Painter. I'm going to make this all one video so we don't have to hop over to 2 different videos. All right, that again. All right, let's select. There we go. This is good. So I selected the wrong test. So let's go low, open. And we're gonna do 4K. Okay. Don't save, that was a huge mistake. This is just a day of mistakes for myself. So this hopefully won't happen to you guys. So we're gonna go in here to our settings here, do 4K, get the best resolution. All right, and we're gonna do our high. Okay, we're gonna bake. All right, so I'm gonna return to our painting and hope to goodness that this works. So we're gonna go to layers, and I'm gonna delete that guy. Should be able to delete it. All right, so we're going to drag this over to our base color. Let's go ahead and grab the other one, the non-flipped one. No, this is the flipped one. All right, so it's finally working. All right, so we're going to stop there. I will make another tutorial to show you how to clean this up, and so hopefully that will clear up any issues in the class. I will come in early and get onto one of the computer screens and make sure it works on everyone's computer. So sorry about all of the issues today.